All right, guys. Today I'm doing a review of guavas, and what I have here is the regular guava that you see at the regular store, and what I have here is pink guava. So, pink guava is supposed to be sweeter and tastes a little bit, less tart. So let's do a quick taste test. I'll show you guys. The flesh is actually pink, but the outside is still green. Pretty much you'd never notice it, so unless you actually cut into the fruit. And if you bite into it, same texture as a regular guava. It is slightly, I would say, it is slightly less tart than the regular one, and subtly sweeter and a little bit more fragrant, slight. So, but this also comes with a higher cost generally. So, all right, guys, see more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.